over $530 million have been pulled out of Tectonic token. Tectonic token have actually lost about $530 million in the past 30 days. This is a lot of money, because remember last month, Tectonic Classic market cap was trading over $1 billion market cap, almost $1.3 billion market cap, and today you can see the coin is now trading between $720 million and $800 million market cap. Over 530 million has been taken out, and people are really selling. People are, in fact, when you take a look at this coin, it's called that the trading volume of Tectonic Classic have been increasing every day, but mostly on sale. So many people are actually selling off their Tectonic Classic recently, and this is really affecting Tectonic Classic, as the price also have continued to drop in the past 5 days. Tectonic Classic have recorded, the fact we have never recorded this kind of drop in the period of 30 days before, but I don't know why this particular month is like this, because January was a fantastic month for Tectonic Classic. Tectonic Classic really increased. That was last 2 months, and now we see this coin currently dropping almost every day. Imagine pulling out 530, and if care is not taken, Tectonic Classic market cap might be dropping to $400 million very soon. And if they get to that point where Tectonic Classic drop to $400 million, is more of this coin almost starting afresh again, because it simply means over 1.1 billion has been lost. And then I don't think this is going to be good for Tectonic Classic, because we are going to record more holders will be selling off. More people will be selling off their Tectonic Classic coins, which is not good. And remember, this year we actually believing that Tectonic Classic, we believe that Tectonic Classic can hit 1 cent this year. But the way things are going, if it continues, I don't think Tectonic Classic can even delete 1-0 this year, 2023. So that means the 1% target will shift to next year, 2024, which is still not good, because right now, with all the support they have, with all the support from Binance, from Kucoin, Tectonic Classic is still expressing. And I think the major thing is that this coin needs to destroy the amount of supply they have. If they can start from that, maybe it will help. But right now, Tectonic Classic with 1.2% tax bond is not really burning a lot of coins the way we expected it to, as of when it was about to introduce, when they were about to introduce a 1.2% tax bond. So I mean, imagine Tectonic Classic market cap dropping below $400 million. It will really affect Tectonic Classic. It will really affect Tectonic Classic price, Tectonic Classic. I mean, getting more exchanges who will be working, partnering with this coin. So right now, some exchanges have actually paused the partnership they want to work with Tectonic Classic. Yes, remember, this coin actually benefited because some new exchanges who were planning to accept Tectonic Classic can also accept the 1.2% tax bond. But this constant dropping in price have actually pushed some exchanges to wait. Even we have been expecting Kucoin and other crypto exchanges to start burning, and with the way things are going, I don't know if they will still want to burn, because if they don't start burning right now, Tectonic Classic is going to enter a stage where it will be very difficult for this coin to bounce back. If Kucoin, if Get.io, Crypto.com will not start burning right now, because this is the main time, this is a particular period that Tectonic Classic needs the support of this exchange at most. So I wish they can start burning. It will help Tectonic Classic more. I wish they can start burning. It will help Tectonic Classic to massively increase in price. It will help Tectonic Classic to burn more coins, and before you know it, the price might start changing. The price might start going higher again, including the market cap of Tectonic Classic. But right now, losing over 530 million in 30 days is a lot of, it's a great loss for Tectonic Classic coin. Despite that, Bitcoin recently have been increasing, and you see BTC today is trading at a little bit over $27,000, which is still good. If you want to compare this to BTC price of between January or December, you discover that BTC have really increased in price. But I still hope that Tuna Classic will change the direction. Tuna Classic will start increasing in price, and let's hope for the best. But losing such amount of money is not good for Tuna Classic at all. It's not really good. Please, but remember that this is not a financial advice, and you can do your own research. And please kindly subscribe in order not to miss our next videos.